Do you want to know how you can add Telegram members to your group? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1 2 Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add Telegram group members. Go ahead and open Telegram and you can see that you have created a group. If you want to create a new group, go ahead and go create new group and enter your group. You can see that at the first you can see there is add members option. Go ahead and click add members. You can even copy the invite link and set to your people, or you can just click add members and select the people of your choice. So go ahead and select your people and then click next. So after that click add and there you go. You have just invited some group members on your Telegram account. This is how you invite or add Telegram group members to your group. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.